Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. One of two of your competitors have already started showing up in AI search results like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, but you have not started it. This simulator tells you exactly how many months you have before they lock in the advantage and what is it costing you in revenue right now. So this is the competitor Geo First Mover Simulator by Upgrowth. Geo is nothing but generative engine optimization. It is a practice of structuring and positioning your content so that AI search engines cite your brand in their answers. Unlike paid ads, that kind of visibility compounds. This simulator takes your current traffic, revenue, and competitive landscape and geo readiness and models your first mover window, the time you have left before competitors consolidate AI citation share and your organic market share starts shrinking. So just six inputs and you get a full 12-month projection with the revenue at risk number. You can try this calculator with your inputs with the link in the description. But before that, let me give you a walkthrough. The first input, monthly traffic, is the number of visits your website receives each month from all sources, and monthly revenue is nothing but the total revenue your business generates from digital traffic each month. Vertical is your industry. This tells the simulator which sector specific geo adoption benchmarks to apply. I have selected fintech here. Fintech has high AI query volume and fast moving competitor behavior. So the window here is tighter than most verticals. And number of competitors is the count of direct competitors in your category. And competitor geo adoption tells the simulator how many of those competitors have already started optimizing for AI search. Have selected one to two early adopters. This is the most common scenario right now. One or two brands in a category have moved, the rest have not. And the geo readiness is where your brand currently stands. If you have not started it, or it's in a researching process, or active implementation have already started, you can select that from the drop down. Now let's click on calculate first mover window. So here are the results. First mover window shows 12 months, that is how long you have before early moving competitors lock in AI citation share and your market position begins to erode, and market share at risk is 37.5 percentage here. That is the share of your category that becomes vulnerable if you do not act within that window. And revenue at risk is rupees 45 lakh. That is the annual revenue equivalent of that market share calculated against your current monthly revenue. Also here we have revenue opportunity. It is same as the revenue at risk, which means you get so much of profit if you act accordingly. You also get a 12-month citation percentage table and a projection chart. The T line is your citation trajectory if you move first. The flat orange line is what your competitors currently show. As early adopters accelerate their geo programs, that gap inverts and the chart shows you exactly when. Here also we have a table showing month by month. It shows the citation percentage, competitor first citation percentage, and the advantage gap on the table. So most brands are still treating geo as a future opportunity. The data from the simulator calibrated across 150 plus client engagements at Approach shows that in competitive verticals like fintech, the first mover window is typically under 12 months. Once a competitor establishes consistent AI citation presence, it becomes structurally harder for late entrants to displace them. AI engines favor sources with authority signals that take months to build. The revenue number is in this simulator is not a worst case estimate. It is what your inaction is already costing you, expressed in rupees. So you can take it into a budget meeting instead of a slide about trends. So run this with your actual numbers before your next strategy review. The link is in the description. And if the output makes the case for a geo program, Upgrowth is right below here. Click on this and get in touch with us. We can help you out. Thank you.